Perched atop a hill in Auvergne's volcanic landscape, Grange Rouge by Sigurd Larsen emerges like a stage set for nature's drama. Once a humble barn with generations of family legacy, it's become both a social sanctuary and a place of serene solitude. The project preserves the original steel-framed barn, painted a rich cast-iron red, a hue inspired by deep sunset tones. Under one expansive pitched roof lie 4 discrete volumes, 3 intimate bedroom pavilions and a communal kitchen block, structured like a microcluster of tiny houses. By retaining the barn's original steel skeleton, the design honors its agricultural origins while embedding new life into it. The vivid red frame balances the architecture's presence among the forest, merging history with shelter. Each bedroom functions as a personal refuge, each oriented through wide glazing towards sweeping valley views. Between them, a plaza, an open, shared living space, frames the western horizon, offering communal connection without sacrificing intimacy. The kitchen forms a 4th enclosure under the roof, and the dining table extends outward toward the infinite landscape. Expansive glazing and open planning bring daylight and dusk scenes inside, allowing dramatic western sunsets to become part of daily life. A hidden rooftop or nearby seating perspective also provides natural light while framing breathtaking evening views. The red steel echoes the sunset. Inside, surfaces are warm and minimal, wood tones, neutral shades, and unadorned warmth that prioritizes connection with the view rather than distraction. Art and decoration are kept to a minimum, allowing sunlight, framed views, and the red steel structure itself to become the main visual elements. It's a home that lets the landscape and light speak louder than any ornamentation. Surrounding meadows have been reclaimed to wild beauty. Scattered outdoor seating points, like small islands in the landscape, invite strolls, contemplation, and new panoramas across the valley. The red structure sits quietly in contrast to green, inviting both prominence and peace. Grange Rouge stands as a living tableau, where architecture preserves heritage, frames nature's theater, and invites quiet communion with landscape and light. Rediscovered as Red Barn turned retreat, its story is one of belonging, vision, and the wild becoming home.